gosh, is there a hack that I can just fix my relationship problems with something easy? I don't want to go to therapy. I don't want to read a whole book. What do I do? Hello, I'm Helena Summer, love and relationship specialist. Welcome to the place where we're gonna do better marriage, better relationship, and much more love. But I have to warn you, I'm a gold digger. Yeah, I dig the gold in your heart. I dig the gold in your heart. And that, my dear, is the greatest hack of them all. Think about it. There is a Miss Fiona the Fly and Miss Beatrice. And they both live in the same park, in the same marriage. But they have completely different mindset. Miss Beatrice, she flies from one flower to another, buzzes around, called by the sunshine, super happy in life. And when she collects all the pollen, what does she do? She whips up some honey and brings them to you so your life can be much more delicious. But Miss Fiona, the fly, she doesn't do that. She likes trash. She goes on the garbage place there. She smells that, oh, heaven. And then she lands on your sandwich and plays there maybe rocks all over your head. Miss Fiona the fly is only looking for where is the trash, where is the garbage, where is the poop. So my question for you, my dear tigress, what are you? Are you Fiona the fly, or you are Miss Bee, the Beatrice, the queen bee who finds nectar, who finds gold? What are you? Here is the deal. If you are digging for the gold, what you gonna find? Mud. You're gonna find mud because gold is there, but you have to go through mud. To find the gold in your relationship, you will have to find like, okay, dishes are not done and we have argument about that and we don't agree about in-laws and we have a conflict about days off and vacations and we have whatever. Stuff will come up. But look, he really wants me to be happy. Wow, she's such a wonderful mom. She's so supportive of our kids. Hey, he gave me this back rub and I really need it. Oh, wow. She made me the most beautiful meal that I didn't even think she knows how to cook this well. If you dig for the gold and then share that gold with your partner, you are making yourself more delicious, more honey-like. But if you're looking for the poop, you'll find it, guaranteed. Everybody poops. There is plenty of poop in every relationship. But is that who you are? You can find it. And what will the world do around you? It's not going to be very attractive, very pleasant. Dig the gold. It works much better. And then hack number 2, extra bonus. What do you do with all that gold? You dig, you serve it gold to him and you share how much you appreciate him. One gold from his character. How much I appreciate, love, admire, respect your character, who you are as a man, who you are as a person. Oh, so delicious. Second gold, how much I appreciate us, what you do for us, you and me, who you are to me, to us. And the third gold, who are you in the world at large? Who are you for other people at work, our children, our family? Who are you in the neighborhood? Who are you as a person at large? If you focus on finding 3 golds like that, and then the hack number 2, as I said, you call his mom, you call your mom, you call a friend, and you dig that gold, you take that gold and you spread it That's a technique that I call spread his sperm. Because, you know, the Genghis Khan, most of the Chinese population, maybe not most, but a lot of Chinese population at this point in history have a little bit of Genghis Khan's Mongolian DNA. Why? Because Genghis Khan, as a conqueror, wanted to conquer the world and spread his sperm. So, my dear Miss B, my dear gold digger, you spread his sperm. Spread his glory on the phone, publicly on social media. Spread his glory to the children. Tell your children the stories and tales of how great the daddy is today and tomorrow and every day. Dig the gold, dig the gold, dig the gold. Only good comes from gold digging. Because even when you find mud, it's not what you focus on. You focus on gold. I'm Helena Summer, love and relationship coach. If you want to learn more about gold digging, go to helenasummer.com/woman up and get your woman up manual to learn how to dig the gold properly so you improve your relationship to the point that it really satisfies you. So the Fiona, no, this is Beatrice. Oh gosh. And